Presenting the Vans Atwood, men's skateboarding shoes. Vans Atwood, men's skateboarding shoes are shoes made of canvas material that is suitable for use by teens today. With a simple design yet cool, this shoe is perfect combined with a matching t-shirt and jeans. Comes with a variety of colors, these shoes are also well suited to attend casual events like going out, going to a friend's house, simple birthday, and skateboarding. The upper of this Vans shoes made of 100% cotton and rubber sole make these shoes really comfortable to wear. With canvas outer material and inlined inner material, these shoes are breathable, lightweight, easy to clean and fashionable. These man's skateboarding shoes has gum rubber sole means it does not leave marks upon a hard court surface, and you can play faster. Also has designed with speed laces closure with 2 cm heel height and flat. Utilizing textile material composition and regular shoe width, Vans Atwood able to support you when skateboarding.